Hello Frigo cheese fans, Chef Emily Ellyn here. Today we're making a 2-in-1 recipe and a favorite of mine, our blueberry and ricotta pancake bread pudding. Take a screenshot and use as your grocery list. I refer to this as a 2-in-1 recipe because you can serve it as a breakfast beauty or delectable dessert. This is a great make-ahead dish that you can store in the fridge, glaze and bake the next day. Or for you super planners, you can wrap in foil, then overwrap in plastic and store in the freezer for up to a whole month. Let's get started by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Then we'll lightly grease a 9-inch by 13-inch baking dish or 3-quart oval baking dish and set aside. Next, in a blender, pulse the eggs, my favorite Frigo whole milk ricotta cheese, half and half, lemon curd, sugar, lemon juice and zest, ground cardamom, and pumpkin pie spice until blended smoothly. Now line the bottom of a greased dish with 1 layer of pancakes. And pour a third of the Frigo whole milk ricotta cheese mixture over the bottom layer of pancakes. Sprinkle with a third of the fresh blueberries and a third of the granola. Time to arrange the pancakes in rows, fashioned as shingles. By overlapping the pancakes, it makes for a prettier presentation and is really nice when you're scooping into the fluffiness of the pancakes soaked richly in custard. Now scatter a third of the fresh blueberries and a third of the granola over the top while tucking in between the pancakes. Pour the remaining ricotta cheese mixture over the top, cover with aluminum foil, place in the center rack of the oven, and bake for 30 minutes. Strip off the foil and pop in the oven for another 15 minutes until golden brown or the bread pudding custard is set. While that's baking, let's get started on the glaze. In a blender or food processor, we'll blend the Frigo whole milk ricotta cheese, powdered sugar, half and half, lemon juice and zest, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom until smooth. Grab a knife and we'll check on our pudding. The custard is golden brown and the knife came out clean, so it looks like it's ready. Now it's time to top off by drizzling with the lemon ricotta glaze and finishing with the remaining berries and granola. And ta-da! It's time to taste test. Hope you had as much fun as I did. I'll see you next time for another culinary creation that puts Frigo cheese on the tip of your tongue and top of your grocery list. For more great recipes, head to frigocheese.com.